Hey everyone, how's it going today? So today is a very special and important day for everyone in the United States because it is Election Day. And to celebrate Election Day today and to celebrate just that really great honor of being able to vote and decide who our next president is going to be, I want to show you guys a fun, simple drawing on how to vote. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, we're just going to draw somebody's hand putting a ballot into a box. So the first thing we want to do is we want to start with the hand. So I'm going to start right here, and I want to draw a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to curl back around. So I'm going to start here. We're just going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to curl back around like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up at a diagonal. And then I'm going to jump over this little shape that I made for the thumb, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes down like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down like this. And I'm going to draw another one right here that goes down the same way. Next, I want to connect these two lines. So I'm just going to draw a line to connect both the corners, just like that. Next, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curl around here. And then I'm just going to take this line and I'm going to connect it to here. Then right here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines for some fingers. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw two lines that go up. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line like this, just so it's kind of like the little cuff of somebody's shirt. Then starting here, I'm going to draw kind of like a wavy line up here, and then another little wavy line right here for the sleeve of somebody's shirt. Now, right underneath here, I want to make the little ballot box. Now to do this, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a little line that goes straight across. So I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across here. Then I'm going to draw two lines going down. I'll make these a little longer. Then I want to make a nice line that goes straight across. So I'm going to connect these so that I have a nice rectangle shape. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line down here, and then another line down here. Now, right up here, I'm going to draw a little bit of a diagonal line here, and then a little bit of a diagonal line over here. Now I want to draw a line that goes straight across, but I don't want it to go through my little voting ballot. So I'm going to draw a line that goes right to here, and then I'm going to do the same thing here, just right across. Next, I'm going to draw a little slot for my little ballot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to curve around, and it's going to come back and go up to here, kind of like a long skinny oval. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to go out, I'm going to curve this around, and then I'm going to bring it back to here. Now, one of the last things I want to do is on my little ballot, I'm just going to draw two little squares. And then I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to write yes on top of one, and then no next to the other. And there you go. There is your drawing of somebody's hand voting. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.